Okay, this question is saying we've got a 2.5 metre long piece of wood, but we want it split into 15 centimetre chunks. Okay, so we've got to work out how many of these we can get out of this. Now, the trouble is here is that this is in metres and this is in centimetres. So ideally we need them in the same units. In fact, we have to have them in the same units. So 2.5 metres in centimetres, should know there's 100 centimetres in a metre, is going to be 250 centimetres. So what we're doing essentially is this sum, 250 divided by my 15 over here. All right, so we're going to do this using the bus stop method. So my divisor goes outside, there's my bus stop, and I put 250 in there. Right, now don't be put off by this big number here on the outside of the bus stop. It's still the same principle with the bus stop. So how many 15s go into 2, 0? All right, and then we do a remainder of 2. All right, now again, it might be worth having the 15 times table over here like we've done before. So if we've got 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150. You don't need to go more than 10 times 15. Right, we've got 15s into 25. Well, that goes once, and you can probably tell that without this, to be honest. Remainder 10. And this is where you might not know this, but how many 15s in 100? Well, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, that goes above 100, so it's 6. And then remainder, and we don't have to know exactly, we don't have to do the decimal places, we just need to say that there's some left over, and it is remainder 10, isn't it? Okay, so we've got 10 centimetres left over, and we've got 16 pieces.
Okay, Mary, so let's have a look at this one. So solve x plus 2x equals 12. So what do you think you do first?
Okay, well, I want x on its own, so I would put x equals 12 minus 2x.
Okay, so a lot of the time we want to get x by itself, but what we want to do first is get all of these x's together. So can you see anything we can do with this? Get all these together in one place.
Oh, okay, it's 3x, isn't it?
Yeah,
so
absolutely.
3x equals 12. Oh, and so x equals 4.
Brilliant, spot on, well done.